Okay, Dad, bring her in.
No, keep your hands down. I'll tell you when you take it off. I got you. Hands down. Okay? Wait. Wait. You ready?
What do you think? Come in. Come look around.
What do you think? Do you like your bed? Do you want to get up on the bed? Come around here. Get up on the bed.
Dad, you should turn off the fan. What's your favorite
Do you
part?
lay down on your bed?
What's your favorite part? What do you think of that? There's horses on the fan, there's horses on the closet, there's horses on the lamp. Where's there not a horse? What do you think of the headboard? Do you like it? You're not saying much. You don't like it.
Is it too pink for you, Kaden?
Tell me what you think.
Like it?
Like it.
Are you sleeping here tonight? You sure? Did you see where your stuffed animals were?
Where are they?
Are you sure you shouldn't wait till you're 5 to sleep in here?
This might be too big of a room for Riley.
Did you want to turn on your lamp? Cool, huh?
Cool. Like that potion, that's funny.